Hey guys, it's Rianne, and today I am going to show you guys my November favorites. I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The first favorite I have to show you guys is my Clinique Even Better Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I've talked about it before. I know I'm really sorry. But in the winter and fall months, my skin tends to get very dry just because of the weather changing and all of those kind of things. And so I really love the way that this is something that I can put on my skin that will moisturize it, but it will not make it too oily or greasy. It gets absorbed into my skin and it hydrates it. So this is definitely one of my favorites. I think this is like my 6th or 7th little bucket of it. What is it? What would I call this? Little container of it so far, and I just have really been loving it, and I've been loving it this month. So this is my first favorite for this month. My next favorite, much like the moisturizer, is something that I use on an everyday basis, but since yesterday I finally ran out of one and I threw it away, I decided to include it into my favorites, and that is the Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm. I have a problem saying that. And yes, so finally I threw one away yesterday, which I thought was kind of a miracle in itself, because a lot of times I feel like you either ruin them in the wash or I lose them before I actually get to run out of them. So I was really excited about that. So I've opened a new one, and I just really love this lip balm because it has peppermint in it, and when that when you put that on your lips, you get almost like a small allergic reaction. Nothing too scary unless you're really allergic to peppermint, but it makes your lips appear more plump. So I really like that about this lip balm, and I have just been loving this in general. Oh. This next product is also a lip product, and it's something that I have definitely been raving on about in the past few videos that I've made, and that is this color by Clinique, and it's called Tender Heart. It's a lipstick. It's just a really awesome plummy brown color, which is something that a lot of people look for in the fall, and I have a whole blog post dedicated to how much I love this lipstick. So if you're interested in that, then I will have it linked in the information bar below, but I have really been loving this lipstick a lot this month, and it will definitely be something that I'll continue to wear throughout the rest of the winter and into the early spring. So if you're interested in that, it'll be linked below. My next favorite is actually a product that I won in a giveaway here on YouTube that Italian Vanity 1291 had on her channel, and this is a MAC blush, and this is in the color Peachy Keen, and it's a sheer tone shimmer blush. As you can see, it is this sort of almost, I would say, I don't know how to describe this, almost like a raspberry color, I would say. It's like a pinky raspberry, and when I first saw it, I was kind of apprehensive because I didn't know if it was going to be a color that I would like, but upon wearing it quite a bit, I realized that it's very natural, and I really like the way that it looks. So I have been wearing this a lot this month, actually probably every single day this month. So I have really been loving this color, and I definitely recommend it. The next product is a product that I've had for a very long time, and it actually came as part of a gift with purchase from Lancome, and that is this Star Bronzer. Oh my goodness, and I've just dropped it on the ground. So now that I've dropped it on the ground once again, as you can see, it's very broken up and I don't have a lot of it left. But it took a really long time for me to get through just this little tester that I had, so I was really thankful for that because it was rather large. But I wanted to ask you guys, I have really loved this bronzer, but I was wondering, I've never tried the NARS Laguna bronzer, which I have heard only good things about. So if you guys would want to see a review on the Laguna bronzer or anything of that nature, let me know in the comments below so I can go ahead and purchase that, because I think I might try that instead of repurchasing this, because I really want to try that bronzer. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, and I will be sure to see if I can check it out. The next favorite is actually an eyeliner, and I have definitely been wearing this entire month, and this is also by Clinique. It is a cream shaper for eyes in the number 105. The color is Chocolate Luster, and the reason I like this is because it is a light brown color, but it has sparkles in it. And so I've definitely just been lining my upper and lower lash lines with this and then blending it out with my finger, and I really like the effect that it gives. So I definitely really recommend this color as well, because the sparkles in it is something that I think is very festive for the upcoming winter season. The next two products are nail polishes. The first one is by China Glaze, and this is in the color Jamaican Out. I love the name of that color. But I started wearing this at the beginning of the month because I was looking for a color that was very fall-y and Thanksgiving-y. So I went with this one because it's a nice orange color with gold undertones and shimmer in it, and I really love this color a lot. So I wore this at the beginning of the month, and then towards the latter portion of the month I started to wear my favorite nail polish, probably almost of all time. I don't know if I could say that quite yet, but it's definitely getting there, and that is the OPI nail polish in Black Onyx. And I like it because it almost even is a leather type of look to it. It's just a very flat black, and I think it's really chic and I really like it. My last favorite for this month is the Pumpkin Spice Latte by Starbucks. I think I have gotten a pumpkin spice latte every single day since they've been put in the stores, which is kind of terrible for me because it's probably not good for me. I get it with soy milk instead of regular milk, and I get no whipped cream. So yeah, if you guys are interested in looking for a holiday drink, the pumpkin spice latte is definitely my favorite. I was wondering, do you guys know when the pumpkin spice lattes are no longer sold? Because I'm kind of confused, because I thought they would end on Thanksgiving, but they definitely still have them. So let me know if you know when they leave and if you like pumpkin spice lattes. And I think that concludes my little favorites video for this time around. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys!